Okay, yeah, my name is Jörn Scharsack. I'm head of the Department of Fish Diseases at the Thünen Institute for Fisheries Ecology in Bremerhaven. Our main interest in CONMAR is to investigate fish and possible effects of marine dumped munition on fish, specifically since there are substances leaking from the munition. Do we find them in fish, and if yes, are the fish affected? And our first results show that indeed TNT, for example, is present in some fish which are living close to a dump site, Kolberger Heide, which is well investigated in the Baltic Sea. We are also looking at diseases of those fish, so if they are more frequently affected by diseases, and we do not see something in, say, general bacterial or parasitic diseases, but what we see is more frequently tumors in the liver of affected fish. So we can find substances from the munition in the fish, and we see effects on the fish. Yeah. Our work is particularly important since fish are not just a fundamental part of the marine ecosystems. They are also a very important source, nutritional source for humans. And of course, nobody wants substances from marine dumped munition in the fish that ends up on our plate. Yeah, and we have to make sure, we have to check the fish, observe the fish, and make sure that they are not contaminated. Yeah. So when we find substances in fish, so far this is in the bile and in the intestine. So if the fish is gutted, at the moment there is no risk for the consumer when eating fish. But we have not investigated all munition dump sites yet. So the Baltic Sea is relatively well investigated. The North Sea is still in the beginning, even though there is also a lot of munition dumped in the North Sea. We have started that. We have started the sampling there, and we will also check the fillet. Yeah. What I would wish for the future is that, of course, fish are protected from substances leaking from the marine munition. So therefore, removal of the dumped munition would be important. I would like to investigate fish further during potential clearance of the dumped munition, because more substances may leak into the environment. And I would also propose to monitor areas which will not be cleared in the first place, since their substances may leak from the munition, and we need to make sure, or we need to know, if fish take up substances and how much some substances they would take up. So research on the one side and monitoring on the other side with respect to fish. That would be my perspective for the future. Thank you.